I know it's been a long time, 6 months. Yeah, I had been away from YouTube due to my own reasons, but now I feel like, yeah, I'm ready to make a vlog. Since a lot of you were requesting, suggesting, and some of you even commanding me to make a vlog. So right now I feel like yes, I can do it. So hello everyone, how are you people doing? At the moment I'm doing fine, and I hope you people are doing fine too. I don't know why I'm feeling camera shy. Maybe because it's been a long time. Please comment below if you missed my vlog. I have no clue what this vlog is going to be, but I just wanted to start it. So you people might be curious to know how these 6 months what I had been doing. So here's a glimpse of it. All I can say is I strolled a lot this summer, since this is the last summer I'm having in Russia. Yeah, and I fostered a kitten for a month, maybe, or even shorter than that. Basically, I'm not a pet lover, but this one was really cute. Thing that I can conclude by petting this one is cats are really very selfish, but they are cute at the same time, so you cannot resist the cuteness. So this was same for me. This tiny one was super clingy to me. So yeah, it was a good pastime. Meanwhile, I got opportunity to be a part of an Indian gathering. The performances were outstanding. So this was pretty much how I spent my summer. It was totally beautiful, we can call. And with blink of an eye came winter and we landed up here. This winter is my last winter in Russia. Even though it seems beautiful, but things seems to slow down during winter. It's not that I hate winter, but what I hate is the death of summer. This summer I had to face few unfortunate things. Yeah, and one of them was that my phone broke down. As you can see right here, I'm not lying about it. All the video clips that I had taken was in this phone. Only few were in the SD card. So yeah, that is unfortunate. But we have to cope up with that. Also, let me know if you like this video of mine, because it's a gift to me by someone. Yeah, and it's pretty cool back there. Even though there's no appearance of snow at the moment, but it's freaking cold out here. And the rainwater that gets accumulated in the pothole, by night it has become ice, you can see. feels so awkward now. That's Nandi.
Nandi. Nandi show.
So people, what the fuck? So you people watch how my past 6 months went by, and right now we'll be going to a shopping center, and I thought it's better that I shoot the video clip. Yeah, so let's go. I really love and admire these cottages, and I hope someday I have kind of these of my own. Russia ka traffic jam. Oh my god. So we are crossing the traffic light now. I mean, yeah. ये देखिए, हमें यहाँ जाना है. ये कुछ नहीं.
जाने के लिए रोड क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, यहाँ पहुँचना काफ़ी मुश्किल है गाइस एंड गर्ल्स.
ये
हमें वहाँ तक जाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है.
कोई आसान नहीं है. आप देखेंगे यहाँ एक कार आ रहा है, ऑब्वियसली इसको हमें इग्नोर करना है.
वो कि आप लोगों को पता है कि रशिया में कोरोना का केस काफ़ी बढ़ रहा है, तो हमें एंट्री लेने से पहले किसी भी स्टोर या फिर शॉपिंग सेंटर और व्हाटएवर इट इज़, वी हैव टू शो आवर वैक्सीनेशन सर्टिफिकेट. I got vaccinated 3 months back. I got vaccinated by Sputnik. Yeah, so I'll be showing my vaccination certificate in the entrance. I mean, at the entrance. Okay, so here we go.
इसके लिए बोलो.
किसके लिए? These skincare assets attract me so strongly, but right now I'm so broke to get these unnecessary things for myself. So I'll just have a look on everything and keep myself updated about what's new. I barely had something after my class, so I'm here to get something. At the moment, my problem is that I broke my camera stand, and now I have to go buy it or order it online. So yeah, it was quite difficult to shoot the video while eating, but here are the things that we ordered, me and my friend. I didn't eat all of these alone. I personally don't have a big belly for all these junks. I am a minimalistic junk eater. No, this word is created only by myself, for myself. I don't know if even this exists. 4 years back, I was a big addict of Coca-Cola or Pepsi, but then I reduced it to almost zero. I have it once a month or twice a month, maybe, and that too not more than a glass. Yeah, so I have become a better person, I guess. After all, I'm going to become a doctor in next 6 months. Time to head towards the hostel now. Also, one of the reasons that I didn't upload videos regularly was that this semester was really very hectic to me. Actually, it is very hectic to me. I have exam knocking on my door. Yes, this view is from my classroom. And now outside the classroom, it had been snowing. Not too much, but yeah, it is pretty much how it was snowing earlier that day. Also, I prefer not to wear caps because it gives me a lot of headache. Snow is extremely interesting, But if you are not the kind of person who is extremely sensitive to it, and I am the kind of person, so yeah, so I love to watch snow falling, but from inside my room and peeping outside the window, that is cool to me. There was not so much trace of snow till 15th of December, but right now it is snowing as hell, and the temperature has fallen down like minus 28 degree, minus 30 degree. So waking up at 6 and reaching class at 8 is really very difficult job during winters, and this is one of the very reason that I don't like winter. And all of the time I'm stuck to the heater in the class, since my class is just next to the road. So in Europe, you have this cloakroom, since you can't take this big jackets to your classroom or anywhere. So you have to hang it here. You will get a token, and then accordingly. Yeah. So this was mine. I took it back. I'll head towards home now. On this particular day, one of my friend was moving to his country, so I have to go see him off in the evening. And I found this footage to be cute. A baby moving her baby on the pram. Here I am. This is a railway station. This is the waiting room inside, since my friend has his train to Moscow. It's been really a long time since I have had any journey on train, and I'm really moving forward to it. This is a view from the outside of the railway station. I'm very sure that I have shown you in my previous videos also. This is the train he'll be hopping inside, and it seems to me there's a crowd today, but there's no rush because train will wait for a long time. Also, there's a systematic way people hop into the train. This is so cozy that I want to stay in and sleep. So finally, I'm in my room after seeing him off, and this is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, then please like the video. And if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.